Well, it's a Gulab gang which is not surrounded by the rosy hue of romance. It's quite nitty, it's surrounded by nitty-gritties and realities actually, because we have these two glamorous ladies here. We never expected one to play villain, one to play a hero, and to have them in the same screen together with the master, Shomik. So how did you manage?
Two characters. I wrote somewhat of a superhero, in my opinion. All qualities that a woman embodies. And I wanted a villain who would be more powerful than even her.
Well, Juhi, a villain who's more powerful than the hero, literally, so to speak, and you choose one of the most amiable actresses in Bollywood, and she actually says yes. So I want to know, how did that happen actually?
Yeah, to begin with, I thought he had lost his mind. There was no way I could pull this off. And it was only after a little while of meeting him, understanding his viewpoint, seeing the larger picture, that I finally came around to it and started thinking, wow, if we two do it, we can make something really a crackling kind of film. And then I agreed, and then I just went ahead with it.
And what a stunning hero you have to fight.
Not only is Rajo's role very powerful, and the story is very powerful, good versus evil, and a very masaledar film with everything in it, dance, songs and action and everything. But we also have a little message through the film, and that is about women empowerment.
Talking about bashing, we normally hear that you kick in the kick in the shins or whatever when you were surrounded by danger. I heard you giving one of our reporters a very different and very cool idea about safety precautions for women. Could you please tell us about that?
We think very differently from what actual जो reality है उससे. तो जैसे अगर आप मुझे खींच रहे हैं, I would think मैं पीछे जाऊंगी तो मैं छूट जाऊंगी.
I'm not leaving you.
But the best thing is to use your own body. जैसे आप खींच रहे हैं, तो आप जाइए और just poke his eye. तो मतलब आंख में एक बाल भी, अच्छा आप छोड़ सकते हैं मुझे. आंख में बाल भी जाए तो you can imagine how much it hurts. तो आप किसी को आंख में पोक कर दें तो वो तो बेचारा 2 मिनट के लिए छोड़ ही देगा सब कुछ, अपनी आंख लेके बैठ जाएगा. And you get the time to run. Even those 2 minutes are very precious that you get.
You, on the other hand, were literally fighting with words.
The moment I think you dress up as a character, you start feeling it, you start walking that way, you stand on that podium and you raise your arm and you're like, okay guys, you people, I'm going to manipulate you.
Madhuri has her Gulab gang. If you had a gang of celebrities you wanted to win ballots, who would you use in your gang to kind of win ballots for your party?
मैं पहले तो ये बोला शाहरुख खान को ले लेते. हाँ, वो अगर होंगे तो फिर I don't have to go campaigning. I think it'll all be done. But why should I go that far? Why don't I just take Madhuri?
Oh. when love and hate collide, thin line between love and hate, politicians and activists mingling together, we have a better world already.
Yeah.